If you're lucky enough to have a Saab ICM3, you have one of the nicest looking dashboards in the Saab 9-3 between 2003 and 2006. This was Saab's highest end infotainment system, which included navigation on a screen which is not touchscreen. The problem is, these days, all of the features of this unit are obsolete. The maps are many years old, and generally speaking, it's difficult to use and doesn't offer modern features of today's cars. So what if we could modify this unit and bring it up into the 21st century? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So this unit's going to give you the same stunning looks as the original ICM3, but it's going to give you all the modern features that you would expect from a car of today. And it comes with a microphone, as you can see here, which allows for hands-free calling and voice control as well. So I'm going to turn this on and you can see how long it takes to boot up from when you turn on your car. So I've just switched on the ignition. Right, so it's booted up now. Now it's detected that my phone is in the car. So it's automatically connecting to Android Auto wirelessly. So now it's connected to Android Auto, you have access to several apps. By default, it will go to Google Maps, what you can see here. And I can say, "Okay Google, take me to Birmingham."
Navigating to Birmingham.
And there we go. Now it's going to navigate me to Birmingham, and I didn't actually have to touch it to do so. If you'd rather, you can use the screen as a phone and you can actually just choose where you want to go and it will navigate for you like that. And if we go to this button down here, these are the apps that are installed on my phone that the device is compatible with. If you go directly into one of these apps, this is what you see. So you can control your music using the buttons on the screen, or you can use your voice. This unit has a lot more functionality than what I have explained very briefly in this video. There will be a separate video which will explain all the functionality of Open Auto Pro, which is currently installed on this, so you can go and view that. But I will say, when modifying an ICM3, you are taking out the original screen, and that means that you will no longer have access to fade and balance options. But you can modify the bass and treble through the equalizer app, which is built into the Open Auto Pro.